Right, weekly catch up, next few days. What we're doing is just putting the cowlook bug back together so it'll be easier to sell. Got a big owl in the room. Yeah, just basically putting on the old wings. Being complete owl's a lot better, isn't it?
Yeah. Looks so much better already.
Yeah, someone's asked about any projects for sale. Someone's coming tomorrow, hopefully. So I'll put it all together with all the repair panels in. Better to sell then, isn't it?
That's that one on. Good man. Almost better as that look.
That's nuts, isn't it? I've got the wing beat in the show. Yeah, just some wing beat in the show. I'll get my hair out the back in a minute, but that's that.
You want me?
Ear lighting needs repairing, but
It's a project.
if I can hide it like that, you're gonna fucking know, yeah. What's the difference though? How these rot out, you've got a rubber wing bead and it holds the water obviously and
Well, have that problem with mine.
no. Usually when you take the nuts off after 50 years they just snap. But just leave it hanging like that. What a difference in being without them.
Yeah.
I've got the rear apron to put on. May hang the door and I'll go find some glass. So catch us back up in a bit. I'll do a bit more. Right, hour later, just stopped. We had a couple of guys turn up. All 4 wings are on. Front windscreen on. Side windows to There's Max. What did we say, Max?
vwcoco.com.
There you go. Link in the description. But that's the rear screen on. And it looks like a Beetle now. Well, I'll put the door on weekend, just getting the hinges looser. Hopefully it'll be a lot easier to sell now. Complete resto. Oh, the rear apron. That's all bolted on.
Front apron.
New front apron. Just bolted on. And it fits perfect with the bonnet. Not the hood as the bonnet.
Yeah, bonnet. Bloody yards.
Do you want me to jump in?
Yeah, you want
I'm doing the easy bit. They've put the string on. Right, where shall I start?
Max, camera? Go in that side, Max, and you can see.
So it's just the one side, yeah?
Yeah.
Down that side.
Right, tell me when.
Wait for Max. Go on then.
Is it? Oh yeah, there you go.
Go through that hole there, Max.
Yeah.
We redo that one.
Yeah, we do that. Maybe we'll go from the bottom.
Oh yeah, we'll do the bottom, yeah. Just rerouting the string.
Yeah.
Yeah, I found the front and rear screens in the van, which I think could be sold now.
Maybe do the bottom first.
Warm.
Yeah. Do it from the bottom first then.
ripping now, the seal.
Oh, is it?
Shall I go round?
Go the other way, mate.
Right, ready?
Maybe even pull there.
Oh, right, I didn't see that one. Is he alright?
Yeah.
Oh, that was quick. Come on, boy. Just catching there. We'll do a screwdriver in a minute.
Yeah.
We'll go. Is he in?
Pull out. They all set in itself.
Alright.
Yeah.
God, he's tough.
Yeah.
Do you want to pull him out? I'm stuck. Hold on. Wow. Come on, nearly there. Can you pull that last bit here? That is tight. One side window in. God, that took some. Them seals are God knows how long, 8 years old. Thank you, Max.
That's right.
One more to do. So it's Saturday. The guys taking the Austin. Superb. Can't recommend them enough. Ridges Transport up in Bideford. Do services. They got a new garage open up. Just give them a shout out. See if I can get a link in the description for them. They just opened up a garage. Servicing over 65s get discount. But that's the Austin gone. And on the way, they picked up the one I bought a couple months ago. Yeah, happy days. They've done that right back in Ireland. It's only 10 minutes from my unit. They picked it up before they've collected the Austin. If he's on, he's gone. Happy days. Alright. So what I forgot to show you, it's probably in the title actually, or thumbnail. Look what I bought Friday. Ronal Teddybears. But missing a few center hubcaps, but mate reckons he's got the 2. So I'll be missing 1 now. I'm gonna go locally, see if I can get someone to do 3D print. But look how cool these are. They're 14-inch and they're for the caddy van out there, because that'll be on its ass. 14-inch wheel, lovely. Possibly a bigger tyre, I'm not too sure, it depends how low I go. But I've got a set of 4 Ronos. Wowee. As soon as he said the price, I've snapped them up. So thanks to my old schoolmate Rob, appreciate that, and cool as hell. Right, it's Tuesday. After the new arrival and the Austin went Saturday, I just went on home because it was just too hot. And so today, putting the seats in the cowluck and the door, then I'll get them outside. I've got someone coming today to view it. Also, I've got 3 or 4 people after it, so be quick. Now, I'll do a video on this one. Cool. But, just a quick update. Passat sold. Yeah, you know that subscriber. I think he was a subscriber, not sure. But I blocked him. That's worth 20 quid or something, he said. Then another one, 200 quid tops for scrap. So 200 times 1, 2, 3. Yeah, sold. Same couple, it's got the bay window. So Passat and bay going end of the month. George may be interested in the Tolbert. If not, I'll pull him out this week, clean him up, and I'll throw him up for sale, so I know a few of you want it. Yellow bug's still here. I haven't advertised it yet, nor the red bug, so, or the blue one. I've got a guy interested on email for first dibs, so I haven't forgot you, but that'll be pulled out in the next few weeks, maybe for my holiday in August. If not, it'll be mid-August, so stay waiting on that one. Yeah, that's it. Austin went, bit gutted, but it is what it is. You lose money, but then when you sell a car, you make that money up. So I haven't done that yet. But yeah, that's what it is. Another hot day, early 30s, but can't complain. We had a little bit of rain last night for the first time in weeks and weeks. 10 minutes. But today's agenda is to crack on with the cowlook. Get the seats in, door. Get all the necessary repair panels that go with it. And hopefully by the end of the day, I'll let you know if he's sold or available. But I've got 3 or 4 people interested. Oh, the body roller that this was on. Anyone local wants it? 200 quid. I don't need it at home because I ain't got the room. Yeah, it bolts onto your wheel over there, arcs, and you flip the body right over any car. But we've had a bay window on it and a few beetles, but not needed no more. So 200 quid, hit me up. You know the email, I'll leave it in the description. Right, it's about 8:30 in the morning. Let's crack on. Right, just hung the old passenger door. It drops a little bit because of the bottom pillar repair panel's not on. Added one there. But that's it, me done on this one. I've wired in the indicators and the fuel sender. So put a fork in it. This one's done. He'll be outside tomorrow. Let me know what you think of the wheels for the Caddy pickup. I like them. Yeah, for the Mark 1 pickup. Tomorrow, I'm going to drag that one in. It's about 2:30, quarter 3. Yeah, no show on the buyer. So, he's for sale. I'm going to message George later. He was a good one. But at this time, he's for sale, guys. Snap him up. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And, yeah. Thanks very much. Put the tag on as well. Because that was loose. That was broke. Got my lunch. Ham roll. Beauty. And it's still 31 degrees out there. Not complaining at all. Big Al's in tomorrow. Can't wait. Right. A couple hours later, I've done some tidying up. I know you can't tell, but a lot of spares are there has moved. Upstairs, etc. Ready to sell in a minute. I'm going to dig out the front seats in the jungle at the back. I put the rears in, all bolted up. This is the original seat that come with the car. You can see where the sun's got at it. Everyone does that. Mexican blanket, we'll sort that. Mountain steering wheel, I love that thing. That'll stay. What else have I done? Took all the cobwebs off the engine. Oil's nice. I've got to put a fuel line in. So it just looks more complete, you know, for the next owner, which hopefully is today. I put the correct washers in for the fuel tank. Fuel sender unit I've got to find. Probably got one upstairs. Put the hose on loosely, so it's all connected up, cleaned up. And the last thing I've just done, I found an aerial at the back. Yeah, he's broke, but that fills that gap lovely jubbly. And I've wired it into the stereo. So, get your coat hanger. I think Bad Chad sells them. Yeah, just a little bit of a tidy up. But a couple hours later, I'm going to have some lunch. And I'll bring you back when I get the front seats in. Hopefully the door on. Fuel sender unit, then I'll wheel them out. Job done.